So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your profile picture on your Spotify. So it's pretty simple, and yeah, just a reminder, if you guys want to change your profile picture in Spotify, then you need to download this app on your PC. This technique is not going to work on Spotify's website or on Spotify app on your phone. You need to download Spotify on your PC to change your profile picture. So if you guys have already downloaded Spotify on your PC and log in into your account, then you guys can follow these steps. And before I move any forward, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future content, and it helps our channel to grow as well. And let's start the video. Now after you downloaded Spotify on your PC and log into your account, you want to click on your account name. After you click on your account name, you want to click on where it says profile. Once you come in your profile, you want to hover your mouse on top of your profile picture and click on where it says choose photo. So right now I haven't uploaded a photo on my Spotify, so it says choose photo. But if you already have a photo over here, it's gonna say change photo. So anyway, you want to click on this pen icon. Once you click on this pen icon, you want to choose the photo from your PC which you want to add to your Spotify. So I'm adding the other photo as my profile picture. And after adding the photo, you want to just click on where it says save change. Save. After clicking on save, your Spotify's profile picture should be changed just like mine. So that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, have a nice day and bye bye.